Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so playback won't fail. Make sure your iPhone runs a current iOS and that you're signed into the Apple ID you plan to use. Once done, open the Music app and glance at the tabs. For you, Listen Now, Library to orient yourself. If you'll stream on the go, enable cellular for music and allow downloads in Settings Music. These steps remove common blockers so you can subscribe, play, and save tracks without interruption. Now you'll join Apple Music and populate your library. Select a plan from Listen Now or Settings Music subscriptions. Payment enables full catalog access. Next, search by typing or say, "Hey Siri, play," followed by an artist, because voice finds speeds up discovery. When you find songs, albums, or playlists, tap plus Add to save to your library, and then Download to keep offline. Make sure to organize with playlists, or the Add to Live. Finish by mastering playback and cross-device sync. Tap a track to play, use the player controls for shuffle or repeat, and view up next to order your cue. These let you shape listening quickly. Turn on Sync Library to keep your playlists and likes consistent across devices. If something goes wrong, check your network, force close and reopen music, or sign out and back into your Apple ID. This often resolves missing downloads or playback errors. If issues persist, restart the iPhone before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.